Hey, my name is Hongjun.
Hi, my name is Karen.
Hi, I'm Destiny.
Hi, I'm Liwei.
Our team is ASEC 2 Fits, and our project is called MVP Health Inc., where MVP stands for Most Viral Project. The purpose of this project is to allow the player to take on the role to protect this country against this epidemic. How will the situation play out under your leadership? Let's go.
So this is our game. It tells you that you have at most 180 days. This is a map that you can zoom in and zoom out. The map is designed to stay in the US, so if you move outside, you will be dragged back. When you click on the state, the patient 0 will be dropped and the virus will start spreading. Here on the top are the menu panels that shows different data such as patient infected and the current day. You can click on the button right here to speed up the game. In the upgrade panel, you can spend people's point to buy different upgrades that either slow the transmission of the virus or research for the cure. You can get people's point when more people are infected. This is the reason you need to balance between getting people's point and people that got infected. The color of different states turn into different color based on the amount of people that they are infected. As state progresses, the virus would get more deadly and people start to die. When the game finishes, you will have a graph that displays information recorded every day during the game. And on the bottom, there are some helpful advices on how to combat COVID-19.
Hi, I would like to show you this function, One Day Pass. This function runs every day of this game for 180 days, maximum. And in this function, first, it upgrades the UI. It updates the UI to show you that what day it is, and then it makes the virus more deadly. You might have noticed there are many different functions in this big function, say sampling. This function basically sends a plane from one state to another, and if that plane is infected, it could infect people in that state. This function right here infects the neighboring states of the infected state, if they are uninfected. This function right here increases the infected people inside every single state. This function right here gives you people's point, which could be used to buy upgrade. And upgrade can be used to buy cure. And the cure is also handled by this function. Every day, this function increases the percent research towards a cure based on how many cure upgrades you have. This function sets all the variables. It is in charge of making the state change colors. This function right here checks to see if the game has ended. If the game has ended, it will display a graph and a debrief. If not, then another day have passed, and this function will once again execute. If you are wondering how we made the chalks, we use this plugin called vchalks, which allow us to first calculate our data of infected deaths and all the other information, and then we can put them inside this line tag, where they will be made into a line inside this chalk. Also, the map is made with leaflet. Now, as you can see, inside this map.js, we imported leaflet. Leaflet is this plugin that allows you to make a map relatively easily. The airplanes actually are also made with leaflet. We use this called image overlay, and that just makes a plane or any other image you want to put on the map.
Yeah, so that's our project, and if we had more time, we'd probably put in a recovered people stat, because right now we have those infected and those who've died, and that is really depressing. We'd probably also put in rotated airplanes, because right now our airplanes are flying from state to state. They are flying backwards. We'd probably also put in the ability to play on multiple devices, so like a phone. Yeah, and our project is very special to us because we believe it helps people to think, to understand their situation, to think about what their next steps are, how do they want to help without actually being able to help. And also puts them in the shoes of a government official, what would they do as a person in power, how would they do it, and basically helps them to not only think about it, but to strike up a conversation. And I think that's very important, and we hope that you like it and everyone else. So thank you.